Hi Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for Leos. Um, Whether or not you're on separation or coming into union, I'm just having one playlist for this year. I am bringing more playlists in and doing some other work as well. So we'll just see what comes out in your reading. If it doesn't resonate, just watch another video from the playlist. Alright, it is not gender specific, it's timeless, and I'm trying to keep it to the sign. So whether or not you're cross watching, I'm trying to keep it to the Leo energy, but the roles can be reversed, take it as it resonates for you. Check the description box below for private services, specials on Facebook and Instagram, and please, I've made a video, please watch it, or just check in the description box below for donations for the channel so that I can improve my service for all of us, and get more videos and messages out there to more twin flames and soulmates. So I would truly appreciate any donations. And again, you can just watch the video. I'll speak a little bit on what I'm wanting to do. If you want to know more, but my PayPal link is below as well, so you can make a donation for me. Please just remember to send your name and surname via any of the sources, platforms that works for you. Everything is in the description box below. I am going to give away 3 private readings that I will draw from those who have made donations to the channel. Alright, and that's all from me. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. That is also a way how we can improve the channel and get these videos out to more twin flames and soulmates out there. So I would truly appreciate your support on that. Let's see, Leo, what's happening with you. I'm doing recent past, I'm doing present and immediate future. In the recent past, and this is a very specific storyline, so it's not going to resonate for everybody. Okay, in the recent past year, you have got the 7 of Swords, and this is deception. You have been deceived by your twin flame or soulmate in some way. For this specific reading, I pick up your twin flame or soulmate only deceived in the form of not telling you how they truly felt. They did not open up about their emotions towards you, and you knew they were lying. I feel like you did, Leo, tell them how you felt, hoping that they will open up and communicate their emotions to you, tell you how they feel, and they didn't. They didn't, and this is the way they deceived you. In the past, even before this, this may have caused you a lot of pain in other connections or other relationships, maybe even in this specific relationship here. But this time you did not allow it to hurt you. You didn't feel heartache here, Leo. You did not allow this to break your heart. For some, there might have been a third party situation involved here as well. Don't necessarily pick that up. But you didn't allow. You didn't allow this deception to cause you any kind of a heartache. And I feel like you sneaked away from this connection when they did not open up about their emotions towards you, and you ghosted. You ghosted your twin flame or soulmate. Sorry, that is my cat scratching. There we go. You ghosted your twin flame or soulmate. You just walked away from them. I feel like you may not even have said anything, just decided, you know what, if you're not going to open up about your emotions towards me, I'm just leaving, and I'll let someone else do that, and tell me how they feel. You were just done dealing with a connection, dealing with a twin flame or soulmate that were not going to open up, communicate to you, not tell you how you feel, how they felt, how they feel. I'm falling over my words here. Yeah. You just walked away, said next. If you're not going to give it to me, I'll find someone else that will. And that exact thing that you did, Leah, without attaching any sadness to it, made your twin flame or soulmate return and make you an offer here. This is your present, this is what's happening right now. So if they have not yet returned, they are about to, they are coming in and they're going to offer their flame. They're going to offer you this brand new beginning, this passionate new beginning. And I feel there's a lot of passion in this connection, a lot of passion. And your person is just ready to put all the eggs into one basket here. You see the nest there with the eggs? Makes me feel they're ready to put all the eggs in one basket. And really, now they're coming forward and revealing their passion and how passionately they do love you here and offering you that new beginning here, Leo. Um, and you're just ready. You're just ready. This is all you wanted, Leo. This is what you have been waiting for. You're holding that divine cup of love. You're ready to give and receive love in equal measures. You're not going to be chasing anymore. The Queen of Cups doesn't chase. You are ready to nurture this connection. You are ready to nurture your twin flame or soulmate. Really give from your heart towards them. You made a really wise decision here to just, you know what, just decide to walk away. If they're not going to be opening up, and they are most definitely opening up here. It's a lot of love as well in this connection. And you are in a very mature energy here, Leah, very much in control of your emotions, but leading from your heart. And you're ready to give it to them. You're ready to give it to them, and they're offering you that new beginning now that you've been waiting for. In the immediate future, yes, there it is. They're not only just offering you a new beginning here, they're offering you a commitment. You see the rings over there. This is a solid long-term commitment, and I feel like they are now opening up about their emotions, and just really expressing this desire for you, this passion for you. This is a very strong connection here, soul connection, that absolutely the love just devours you. The lovers is in paradise here. They are just absolutely are naked in their truth. Their love is so innocent and so pure and so divine. And this is your union. This is your union with your twin flame or soulmate here. Long-term commitment with them in the immediate future here. And I do feel now there's a lot of communication coming from them as well. There's a lot of communication with the Page of Cups here. They are communicating their love. They apologizing, they are giving you that cup of love. I feel it's a lot of romantic and flirting messages, and really pages are messages. So the messages of love are coming in here. And your twin flame or soulmate might be much younger than you, coming through as the Page of Cups and you as the Queen of Cups, but not necessarily, but it could be while they're coming through as the Page. But I feel that romantic messages, that messages of love coming from them. It's not an immature kind of love that they're offering you with this lovers. This is solid, and it's a long-term commitment, but it's sweet. I feel it's very sweet and romantic with this Page. I'm gonna leave it there. So you are coming into union, yeah. Union is coming for you, Leo. After you just said enough, if you're not gonna give it to me, I'll find someone that will. Well done, Leo. Check the description box below for all the information, and please remember about the donation so I can improve the channel for all of us. And like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, is right over here at the bottom of the video, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Leo.